8.2% of people in Monmouth County live in poverty. 456 homeless people roam the streets of the county every day.
I'm so cold.
However, the Calico Cat, a local organization, helps these types of people by giving them clothes, food, and other helpful items. These people need your help. Help these people by donating clothing, sheets, and non-perishable food items to Janice Liebnow, the pantry and cupboard coordinator of the Calico Cat.